Today I wanted to talk about an interesting article that I saw on CNBC.com called Small Businesses, Big Banks, Good Fit. Basically, the article talked about how small business owners are still battling with big banks like Bank of America when it comes to getting loans and or increasing credit lines. It specifically talked about some small business owners that had a season of poor sales because of bad weather, and as a result of the poor sales, the banks where they were obtaining their credit through had either terminated the loan or sent them a letter saying it's time for you to pay up, and or really decreased the small business owner's credit line. And basically because of this type of situation is happening a lot with larger banks, small business owners are consistently looking to smaller, more local banks that are able to service their needs a little bit better when it comes to financing. In all, banks want some sort of assurance that they're going to get paid back for a loan. So whether that's a company owner pledging collateral in the event that they can't pay the loan back, or the business owner needs to show a profitable operating history, a consistent profitable operating history over a number of years, without which a bank, big or small, is not going to allow a business owner to borrow from them. Now, an alternative funding option that was not talked about in this article, that I really think is a good alternative financing option for small business owners, is accounts receivable factoring. Factoring does not base its lending abilities on a company's past performances. Rather, it looks to the future or the company's accounts receivables. So as the company grows, as they continue to invoice more, the factoring company is able to continue purchasing invoices and advancing cash on those invoices. And also, because factoring is not a business loan, it's the outright purchase of receivables, it doesn't muddy up a business owner's balance sheet either. And also, the small business owner's company can continue to grow, as well as the factoring company's line of credit. As long as there's invoices for sale that are being invoiced to creditworthy customers, then the credit line can continue to grow. For more information, please visit PRN Funding's website at www.prnfunding.com.